Hi, Rana here from Technical Executing for Lemon. Today we will learn how to get the API key for NLP analysis of the content. So in another video you can find the function of Python or app script code for Google Sheets, which I have used for the NLP analysis of the content. So for now we are not using the Google NLP, we are using the TextRazor NLP API. So let's learn how to get this API key. It's a free, you can see here, click on this button and just complete this form. In my case, I have already created an account. So let's click here. Here you can see my API key. Just copy this API key and paste where you want to use. Here you can see the number of requests sent by your API key today. So you can send actually, let's check, 500 requests per day, and at a time 2 requests. It's not as the yeah, it's free plan. So if you want more requests, then you can use the pro version or go the starter version as per your need. So tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.